Hello everyone, welcome to Free Learning Chinese course. The objective of this course is to assist those people who are serious to learn Chinese language but they don't know from where to start or how to proceed after knowing the basics of Chinese language. It will equally assist those people who excuse of forgetting Chinese characters and then they face difficulty in reading, in understanding the Chinese characters. Because this course is designed in such a way that remembering Chinese characters as well as understanding Chinese characters will become easier for viewers. We will start this course with HSK 1, which is first level of Chinese language proficiency test, and it has 150 words in total. We will study 10 words in every lesson and there will be 2 lessons a week. The method we adopt throughout this course will be the optimized one. It will have 3 steps in total. At first step, we will read character. At second step, we will decompose this character into its basic components until basic strokes appeared. These strokes are 6 in total as we have studied in our previous lessons. And at the third step, we will have an example sentence. Let's start with our first word. Here we have 我 meaning I or me. Now let's move towards our next step, decomposition of this character into its basic components. We can see on left side there is 手 meaning hand, and on the right side we have 哥 meaning weapon. So both of these components can be directly derived from basic strokes. For example, this one is horizontal stroke, left falling stroke, bent stroke with a hook, and tien or dot. If you don't know about these strokes, you can watch our first 3 videos and the link is shown over here. So we have completed 2 steps. It is 我 meaning I or me, and it is combination of 手 at left side, 哥 at right side. Let's have an example sentence. 我要2个哥哥。我要2个哥哥。我有2个哥哥. And its meaning is I have 2 brothers. The next character is 我们 meaning we or us, and it is basically composed of 我 meaning I, we just have studied 我, and man. This man basically indicates the plural form of pronouns, and it is further composed of this and this. So now we can derive both of these characters from basic 6 strokes. So let's find an example sentence for this 我们 meaning we or us. 我们多是学生。我们多是学生。我们多是学生. It means we all are students. We all are students. 我们多是学生. Next character is 你 meaning you. Let's decompose it further. On left side we can see it is a radical used for people, and it is 人 On the left side it is meaning you. So on the left side the radical is indicating that this character is somehow related to person or people, and this one is indicating the actual meaning you. We can decompose this further. On the top we have another radical, and on the left side we have 小 meaning small. So we have decomposed this character until the basic strokes appeared. This one can directly be derived from basic strokes, and this one too. Let's find it in example sentence. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么 名字，你叫什么名字? And its meaning is you call by what? Name. So what's your name? Actually he want to ask 你叫什么名字? The next one is 你们 I think its decomposition is very simple. On left side we have 你 meaning you, we just have studied. On the right side we have man, a character that indicates plural form of pronouns. So Nimen means you all, so it is being used for plural. This one and this one, both of these can be derived directly from basic strokes. So we have completed the second step. Now move towards third step, and that is 你们是谁? 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 You are who? Who are you? That's all. The next character is 他 meaning he or him. Let's decompose it. On the left side, as usual, it is run, a radical that indicates this character is related to person or people. And on the right side, we have ye meaning also. Ye. So both of these characters can directly be derived from basic strokes. So move towards next step, and that is 我不认识他 我不认识他 I do not know him. I don't know him. 他们 This one is also very simple. It is composed of tha on the left side, as we have studied, tha meaning he or him, and on the right side we have man, that indicates the plural form of personal pronouns. Let's find them in an example sentence. 他们是美国人 他们是美国人 They are American people. They are American people. 他们是美国人 The next character is tha meaning she or her. So you should differentiate this tha and the previous tha that used for male persons. Let's decompose this tha which is used for female persons. On the left side we have 女 meaning woman, and this is ye. Also this one is common in both of these tha, but this one is indicating that this tha is for female persons. So both of these can be derived directly from basic strokes. Let's find out an example. 她是我妈妈 她是我妈妈 She is my mother. She's my mother. 她是我妈妈 The next character is 他们 meaning they. Let's decompose it, and I think it is very simple. You already have understood it. On the left side we have tha for female and man that indicates the plural form of personal pronouns. Let's find out an example. 他们是女孩子她们是女孩子她们是女孩子 They are girls. They're girls. The next character is 这 meaning these or these. And let's decompose this one. Yes. The character at the bottom side is 戳 meaning walk. And this character is 1 meaning literature. It doesn't matter if you cannot relate both of these, but if you can relate and make up a story, it is better. So this one is 这 these are these, and both of these characters can be directly derived from basic strokes. For example, here we have 点 horizontal stroke, left falling and right falling. 点横撇捺 Let's find an example. 这是什么 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 This is what? What's this? 这是什么? The next one is na, 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 meaning that or those. Let's decompose it into its basic components. On the left side, this character is not a special character. I mean, it don't have any meaning. It is not a specific character and it don't have any meaning. But still we can decompose it, like this is and this is ta, meaning knife, and it means two. And on the right side, this is radical e, and when it is placed on the right side, it indicates the location or town or place. Let's find it in example. Here we have 你看那是什么? 你看那是什么? You look. That is what? Please look, what's that? 你看那是什么? So that's all about for today's lecture. We have studied 10 basic characters of HSK 1. And these are 我 meaning I, 我们 你 们 他. This tha is for he or him, and this tha is for she or her. So you can differentiate it now. This is radical for women, and this is radical for people or person. So Tarmen, 这 na. So here we conclude this lecture. Please let me know in comment box how this lecture was, and let me know if there is any question from your side, or if you have any suggestions for me or for this lecture. Thank you so much. See you in next class.